So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are diving into something super important if you're using QGIS, and that is the CRS or Coordinate Reference System. So it sounds technical, right? Don't worry, I will keep it up super simple and show you how exactly to set and understand CRS in just a few steps. So let us get started. So what exactly is a CRS? Well, think of it like this. A CRS tells you a map where things are on Earth. So it shows how your computer knows that one point is in, for example, Kenya, Africa, Nairobi, and another one is in New York using the coordinates. So the most common known is the WGS 84, that is the EPSG code 4326, and it's what GPS uses. Another common one is the web marketer used by the web maps like Google Maps. That one is the EPSG 3857. So without wasting time, let me start to take you step-by-step guide to set and understand CRS in QGIS. So the first step is you launch your QGIS. Once you launch your QGIS, you can open a new or existing project. So here I'll just use a new, then I will explain to you step by step. The second step that I want you to do is to check the current project CRS, which is down here. Look at the bottom right corner of the QGIS window. Here it is. You'll see the current CRS listed. That is, it's the EPSG 4326. So click on it to open the project property window. So the open project window. Then step 3 that I want you to do is to change the project CRS in your desired CRS that you want. So in the project properties dialog, go to the coordinate reference system the way it is here. You can click on it here. Then you can type in a search bar to find the CRS that you want. For example, let us type 3857. Then it gives me this CRS, which is the web marketer. So once I click on it like this, if I click apply, then OK, then it immediately changes from here. If I still want to take it back, just click on it. It gives me this property. I click on 4357, which is the EPSG reference, which is 84, the latitudes and the longitude. Double click on it, click apply, then OK. That is how I have changed my CRS. So what I want us to do is to use a project that I want you to see how you can change the CRS. So if you have downloaded your project, so go to your Windows, then click on it, then drop it on your layer. So once you click on it and drop it on your layer tab, you can right click on your click and set your layer CRS using this. So right click on the layer name in the layer panel like this, then choose property. It will pop up. So when you come here, you can see the coordinate reference system CRS. Here it is listed as the EPSG that 4326 or the WGS 84. If you want to change this CRS into your desired CRS, you can still set it by just coming here, then right clicking, then going to layer CRS, then set layer CRS. That is the first thing. You can also set to 57. You can set to EPSG 3857. You can also set to EPSG 3994. Based on what you want to set your CRS, you can just change it from here, or you can use what we call the reprojection tool, where you just come here. If you have not activated your processing toolbar, you just, if it's not there, you can go to this short icon up here on your canvas. Once you click on it, it will pop here. Then from here you can change your CRS up to the one that you want to change. That is another method that you can use. And just come here, then click Reproject. Reproject, once you start typing Reproject, it will give you the options that you want to use. Reproject layer up here. So if you want to reproject layer, you just double click on it. Then you can come here and see the EPSG 4326 is the one that you're using. So if you want to reproject your layer, you can still change it from this dimension, where you can shape. If I want to reproject it, click on this, then come here, then change it into what I want it to look like. For example, I can change it to this, the EPSG 3857, double click on it, then it changes immediately. You can also set advanced parameters, where you can change it into either permanent or create temporal layer. Just click on it like this, then you can click run. So once you click run, you find out that your layer has been reprojected into a different CRS system. So you can see our reprojected layer here. If you want to see the CRS system of this layer, just right click on it like this, select property, then go to here. Then you can see we have clearly changed our reprojected our CRS system from EPSG 40, it was 40, 48, it was 48, not 48, it was yes, it's here, it's 40 EPSG 4326 to EPSG 3857. That is how now you can navigate around this and understand how to choose and set your layers, or the CRS coordinates in your system, and also understand what they mean. And also, if you want to calculate the area of each polygon of your layers, you'll find out that you don't use or calculate the areas using the EPSG 4326. It will just give you some values, but they are not the exact values of um, your layers. So if you want to calculate your area or measure the distance, maybe if you have drawn your map and you found out that your CRS system is reading in EPSG 4326, then you can project your layer into another CRS system. Then from there, now here I can calculate my area easily. Then it will give me very specific areas. So if I want to do that, I'll just right click on the reprojected map layer, then select open attribute table. Then I'll go here and look for this feature called the open field calculator. Then once I click on it, now I can decide to calculate the area, the actual area of each polygon. Select decimal number, look for geometry, double click on it, look for this area, double click on it, okay. So once I click OK, that one will calculate. You can see down here it is calculating the area of each polygon of this layer listed here. So once it's done, when you scroll like this, you will find your areas in decimal point. It's calculated here, but it is calculated here using the CRS system, which is the EPSG 3857 or WGS 84, the pseudo maqueta, which is used by the Google Maps, the actual Google Maps from your website. And that is it, friends. If you found this video helpful and you enjoyed it all through, so please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple QGIS tutorial just like this one. Drop your questions in the comment and I will answer every single one of those questions. See you in the next one. Bye bye.